Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. And as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Coming into the present moment, letting go of all the worries from the day. Just coming into the here and now. Then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. Just feel what it's like to hold on. And then let it out with a big sigh. Feel what it's like to let go. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow, feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. Opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up and softening down. And then from here, this hand scoops up, the other hand presses behind. The arms float out to the sides, and then going the other way, this hand in front, the other one behind. Clearing the field. Breathing in, breathing out. Clearing out old, stuck energy, making room for the new. All right, one more time, clearing the field. Then from here, the arms float out to the sides, the arms float down, the palms face up, they float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. This time you can do a side bend if you like, just easing in, never forcing it. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, pushes to the corner, other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down. Palms facing towards the earth, the hands come forward, the hips go back. The arms circle out and around, coming back up. The pebble in the pond, softening down as the arms open, rising back up as the hands come back in front. Breathing in, breathing out, sending waves out in all directions. One more time, the pebble in the pond. And the arms float down by the sides, reverse direction with the hands circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, this hand drops down and tosses away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. And then both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner. The top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, push down and wave in, brush knee and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Moving mindfully. One more time, brush knee and push. This time the bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle the arms out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Spiraling the energy throughout the body, increasing the blood flow as well. Feeling the sensations. One more time, mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. Other hand circles on top, step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time step out to the other corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner. Top hand floats down, bottom hand floats up. Coming back to the beginning, weaving it all together. Brush, knee, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time, brush, knee, and push. This time, bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle the arms out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Draw the hands back in again. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Almost like you're moving through the water. Still breathing, moving mindfully. One more time. Mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the side, and as you step out, bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Other hand floats down, circle it around again, ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back, going with the flow. All right, one more time, roll back. This time, toss it away. The arms float out to the side, and the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. This time, the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then from here, sit back and open, wipe across, other side. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out, bottom arm floats up till it's parallel with the earth. And then circle it around again, ward off. Really tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. One more time, ward off. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, roll back. Can we receive as gracefully as we give? One more time, roll back. This time, toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift forward, slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press, nice and soft. Then the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back, open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time. Grasping the bird's tail, step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, and press. Release, draw in, and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail, step in, catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, and press. Release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other, they float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the side. The fountain. Breathing in, and then breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? As we learn to move like water, effortlessly, soft and powerful. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions. They float across like clouds in the sky. The hands switch again. Wave hands like clouds, softening the shoulders and the neck. Soften the face and the eyes, using only what you need. As we learn to move like nature with effortless ease. All right, one more time, drift across. And then from here, both arms drift down, floating side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. You're testing out the water. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, and then giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. And just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising up. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down, fingertips point up. The hands come up the center and then spiral out and away. The upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest. You can rotate the torso as well, really getting out any stuck energy, getting it all circulating throughout the body. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the upward spirals. And this time the arms float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. And then stick around for just a few more moments for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Effortless Movement. No force, no strain, just gentle sway, like clouds that softly drift and play. We learn to move with nature's grace, at peace within, creating space. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch your flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.